Samsung is going big with the Galaxy Z Flip 5 and the price of Flip 5 is out, which you will not like about it. Although we are seeing some big updates, but Samsung is increasing the price in the Galaxy Z Flip 5. Surprisingly, Galaxy Z Flip 5 price increase is out, where we will see a big jump from last year Z Flip 4. According to the source, it will cost you around €1299, which is a lot more than the Flip 4. Just for perspective, Flip 4 cost us around €1099 last year with the same 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. This is a base model for Flip 5. Interestingly, this price hike is about 20% more than the Galaxy Z Flip 4. Yes, updates are there, but having a price difference of about €150 is too much. Now, if you live in other countries, including United States, you shouldn't be that worried, as some sources do claim the price in US will remain the same as last year, so it will vary between the countries. If you're in the European region, you may see a price hike on the Flip 5. But 4.5 is getting a price drop instead of going up, a slightly difference between last year and this year. Almost $100 less than last year, which is better than Flip 5 as it is getting a price hike. Yeah, Samsung is increasing the price on Flip 5, but they are also going to offer some exclusive features, which are not available on last year Flip 4. Now, this feature was not expected from Flip 5, as Samsung is going to offer a Samsung Dex in Flip 5, which was not available on any generation of flip phone. Now, you can convert your Flip 5 to a workstation using an external monitor. The battery of Galaxy Z Flip 5 is something we have a debate on, as batteries of Flip 5 already appeared online, and now we know what we are going to get on Flip 5. As the rated capacity of the Flip 5 battery is 3700 mAh, which is same as Flip 4, but it will last longer than the Flip 4, reason being a new power efficient processor, which helps Flip 5 to last longer, almost 1 to 2 hours more than the Flip 4, and if you want to extend the battery, you can use light mode on the Flip 5, and Flip 5 will going to come with the same 25W fast charger. The sad part of getting a Flip 5 is its cameras. We are going to see a 12MP main shooter and 12MP ultra wide, same as last year. Although it will come with a new sensor and a new software, so the quality on Flip 5 cameras will be slightly better than the Flip 4, and we might see an update in video recording. Did you guys know about the durability of Galaxy Z Flip 5? As it is getting way better than last year, which means we are going to get both water and dust resistance on Flip 5. No other foldable phone or flip phone offers such feature, which is IP58 water and dust resistance. It will not completely resist dust, but due to a flat folded design of any hinge, it will help Flip 5 to resist dust. Last year, we only have IPX8 rating for the water resistance. Also, we might see a Gorilla Glass Victus 2 on Flip 5 external display, which is better than Victus Plus from last year. Samsung changed the plans for the Flip 5 launch, and we are going to see two events. The first one will be in Seoul, South Korea on 27th of July, way earlier than expected, and second one will be in United States, which is going to happen on August 11th. But you can pre-order the phone the day it will launch, hopefully on 27th. There are some amazing new color options coming to the Flip 5, which you should check in this video, and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you next time. Till then, peace out.